Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulil Ameen. Amma ba'd. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala ta'ala fil Qur'anil Majid. قل هل يستوي الذين يعلمون والذين لا يعلمون. Honorable Chairman, respected judges, chief guests, teachers, dear friends, brothers, sisters, and all those who present in this annual function. First of all, I would like to say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And good afternoon to all. Then I want to thank to the announcer and the management who gave me a golden chance to speak a few words in this beautiful podium. Now I am going to say something about the importance of education on the occasion of this annual program. I hope that you all will listen to my speech carefully. Dear parents, education is the foundation of development. It changes the dark into light. It makes a man perfect. It is the third eye of a man. The third eye can see the object which the two eyes cannot see. It is the land of life. An uneducated man is as ugly as an animal which has lost its horns and tails. An educated man passes better and comfortable life, whereas an uneducated man is compelled to pass miserable life. Dear friends, education is the backbone of development. It provides both administrative and technical manpower which are needed for the development of a country. It is said that a king is respected in his country only during his rule, but a learned man is respected all over the world after his death also. The audience, education is a precious property. If you spend something, it decreases. But the more we spend education, the more it increases. It is a permanent property. It remains after a man's death also. Education is the vital role in the human being's life. It is the fullest development of the body, soul, and mind. Education is very important for personal development as well as for the socio-economic development of our country. Education is important for living life happily. Moreover, it empowers and motivates our mind to consider good thoughts and ideas and grow our knowledge day by day. Moreover, education helps us in acquiring unique skills and techniques. Thus, it becomes effortless for us to do our daily life activities in the best possible ways with maximum output and excellence. Education is necessary to raise a person's standard of living, as it gives us all the necessary goods and awareness about how we can increase our earnings with the use of our brains and knowledge. As we all know that education is the key element of everyone's life today. Education has the value that helps in making people valuable and full of knowledge. Education is necessary for the growth of life for everyone. It has the same value for everyone equally. Everyone is having the right to learn. Without education, life can become so difficult and hard to survive. Education is light of life. So I want to request all the parents and guardians to educate their children. After saying this much, I would like to conclude my speech here. Thanks. तालीम से आती है अक़वाम में बेदारी, है पंजा इल्म में शमशीर जहांदारी। वस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू।